Welcome to our Intro to Product Safety and Compliance. In this video, you'll learn about the importance of product safety and where to find information on how to remain compliant with Amazon's policies. At Amazon, safety is one of our top priorities. Our goal is to provide customers with products free from safety, quality, or reliability concerns. That's why we ensure all products abide by our safety policies and guidelines. These policies and guidelines also protect the health and safety of our associates and carriers. As a seller in the Amazon store, it's critical you understand these policies and guidelines to help you earn customer trust, grow your business, and avoid blocked listings and account suspension. For some products, Amazon requires you to provide evidence that demonstrates your product meets the requirements of our policies and applicable government regulations. We call this product compliance. You can add compliance documents, find more information about our policies, and appeal compliance issues through your Manage Your Compliance dashboard. To access this dashboard, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Performance, and choose Account Health. On the Account Health dashboard, you'll see a section titled Manage Your Compliance. Click View All at the bottom of this section to go to the Manage Your Compliance dashboard. You may be able to find missing required information about your product with the help of a lab in Amazon's service provider network. Third-party labs in our service provider network have knowledge of Amazon's specific requirements. You send your product to a participating lab for testing and pay them directly for associated costs. The lab then sends test reports directly to Amazon, minimizing your processing time for product compliance. Note that Amazon regularly audits lab performance to ensure that you receive high-quality service. To access the service provider network, scroll to the menu at the bottom of the Seller Central homepage. Locate the Partner Network section and select Explore Services. Select Compliance on the following page to browse third-party labs in our network. Remember that it's your responsibility to learn and comply with all government regulations and Amazon policies. If you violate Amazon's policies, your account health rating may drop, and your listings or selling privileges may be canceled, limited, suspended, or removed. For more product safety and compliance information, visit the Manage Your Compliance dashboard and click Learn More near the dashboard's header. You can also click FAQ in the top right corner. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!